Hey guys, it's Maz. I just wanted to give you a quick look at my new inexpensive front parking camera option in the Tesla. Teslas actually don't come with front parking cameras. They have the rear and the sides to help you park. But the reason you see so many Teslas back into parking spots is because there's no front cameras. And in cars like the Model S Plaid, end up scraping a lot of cement stoppers. So here it actually is. It's a battery powered camera that wirelessly transmits the video into my center console. It is fully charged and kept charged by this solar panel that I have attached. And again, you don't really see it unless you get down there. And unless I'm pointing it out, almost nobody notices that it's there. Let me show you how it works. It took me about 25 minutes to install, maybe. As soon as I get in the car, it actually powers up, and I have it down here. So it shows that video feed. I have it lined up just at my bumper, so it shows me exactly where my bumper is. And if I put it into drive, it gives you a good gauge of exactly how close you are getting to your front obstacle. So this, combined with front parking sensors, is definitely much appreciated. And for a lot of the newer cars that don't have parking sensors in the front or anywhere on the car now, I'm sure this is a great option for you guys. It turns off. I have it set to 45 seconds. So after 45 seconds, it turns back off. And if I need to turn it on, so this is where I have it connected. And this 12 volt, as soon as I tap that, anytime I want that to pop up, it pops up while I'm driving, anytime I want. And then it turns back off after 45 seconds. And yeah. Again, you don't really notice it, close or far, unless someone was to point it out to you. You have to get down. But yeah, super inexpensive option. It's about 150 bucks and about 15 to 20 minutes to install. I'll put the link in the description below. Bye guys.